Chevrolet's much-anticipated C8 Corvette ZR1 is making headlines, not just for its stunning power, but for the return of the ZTK Performance Package. This package is expected to be an option for those looking to get the most out of their ZR1 and is more than just a simple add-on. It takes the already impressive capabilities of the ZR1 and pushes them even further, making it a true track-ready car without sacrificing its daily drivability. The C8 Corvette ZR1, which was revealed back in July, grabbed attention with its incredible 4-digit horsepower and futuristic tech features. Yet, what really sets it apart is how it can handle both the racetrack and the daily commute with ease. For those seeking a more intense track experience, the ZTK Performance Package adds some significant upgrades. The ZTK package, which originally debuted on the C7 ZR1, enhances the car's aerodynamics and suspension. It also equips the ZR1 with Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 R Performance tires for added grip. Unlike the Z07 package offered for the Z06, the ZTK package does not come with a brake system upgrade. Instead, the ZR1 relies on its carbon ceramic brakes, which Chevrolet claims can manage impressive acceleration and deceleration from 80 to 200 miles per hour and back to 80 in just 24.5 seconds. Visually, the ZTK-equipped Corvette stands out with a carbon fiber aero kit that includes a massive rear wing, gurney lip on the hood, and front dive planes. Despite these additions, the weight remains minimal due to the carbon fiber components. Under the hood, the ZR1 houses a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter V8 engine, generating an astonishing 1,064 horsepower. This beastly engine is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, offering top-tier performance on and off the track. While pricing remains undisclosed, Chevrolet promises the model will be aspirational but obtainable.